Alright, today I'll be showing you guys how to swap a battery on an LG Tone. Here's our new battery that we will be installing today. Alright, so the way you find where the battery is located is you check which side has the charger port, which is located right there. And the battery is located in the opposite side. It's only held down by one screw, which is located right there, and it's a T2 screw. Alright, now that you've removed that, you'll need a pry tool to go ahead and pry up this side. There you are. Now you'll go ahead and pry up the main board, and underneath it will be located the battery. Nice and gentle. Then you want to go ahead and just desolder the two connections that are right there. Now you want to take your new battery and go ahead and resolder it the same way that the other battery was soldered on. Alright, now just reassemble it. The battery goes right underneath the board. Closes in just like that. You want to just make sure that the connections for your on and off match up, as well as your skip. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and reassemble this. Alright, and the last step is just put back the T2 screw. Alright, and that's it. You've replaced the battery.